Tips to try to reduce snoring. Well, if you're out on a night out, it's important to keep yourself hydrated. If you're a regular snorer, there are some products that you can buy over the counter that potentially will keep the airways open a bit better and reduce snoring. As far as antisocial snoring is concerned, sometimes patients snore more in different positions. So, for example, some people may snore more lying on their back, and then we'd advise patients to try sleeping on their side, or you can even buy a cushion that makes it easier for you to lie on your side rather than your back. Anyone who has obstructive sleep apnea, there are a couple of tips that may help. Weight loss is the obvious one, but at night time, sometimes patients can wear a splint that pulls the mandible of the jaw forward, and that reduces the amount of obstruction during the night and therefore reduces the snoring.